Is Bear still the king of minimalist writing apps in 2025? Or has it finally been dethroned? Let's dive in. If you've never used Bear before, it's a beautifully designed note-taking and writing app made for Apple users. It's known for its clean interface, powerful markdown support, and seamless syncing across devices. But in 2025, Bear has taken things to the next level. First, the app now fully supports Markdown 2.0, giving you even more control over formatting without breaking your writing flow. Whether you're journaling, drafting a blog post, or managing a to-do list, it's fast, fluid, and distraction-free. The newly introduced editor themes and font packs allow you to personalize your writing environment like never before. From professional to playful, the workspace feels tailor-made for writers who care about both aesthetics and focus. Bear Pro now includes cross-note linking and note folding, which is perfect for organizing long-form content like novels or research papers. It's small touches like this that make Bear feel more powerful without becoming bloated. Syncing has also improved dramatically. Thanks to iCloud Plus integration, syncing between iPhone, iPad, and Mac is now nearly instantaneous. You can start a thought on your phone and finish it on your Mac without skipping a beat. One of the standout features this year is PDF export with styles. You can now export beautiful styled documents ready to share professionally, as with headers, fonts, and layout options intact. So what's the catch? Bear still isn't available on Windows or Android, which may be a deal breaker if you're not fully in the Apple ecosystem. Also, while the app is powerful, it's not built for team collaboration or complex project management. It's strictly personal and focused. But if you're a writer, student, or creative who thrives in simplicity, Bear remains one of the most polished and inspiring tools on the market. So yes, in 2025, Bear isn't just surviving, it's thriving.